we're here at Changi Airport. Sobrang ganda dito, gabi. Top tier. Welcome Singapore! Yay! Guys, this is the Jewel or the Vortex up close. And so it's flowing. Yeah. Tapos tignan niyo yung paligid, grabe. Wow. How is it, love?
Wow. Wow.
You love the Wingstop? Guys, we're on our way to Universal Studios, so I just used my Gcash card. Kasi hindi na kami sa bus. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Vivo City and we're trying to find a place to eat, and we got here sa parang food hall nila. I'll show you. This is the food hall. Guys, ito yung mga sample ng mga kanilang mga menu and the prices. So medyo abot kaya kaysa nung nag-order kami. Marami pa mga food choices dyan. There's a lot of stores. I think it's too early kaya tawag dito, walang masyadong tao. But, look! We got this all on our own. Wow! So, this is the place, guys. Very aesthetic siya. Very parang tayong nasa Chinese village. But, this is how it looks like. I think I'll get this one. Guys, natagpuan ko ang Nana Homemade Curry Michelin Star. And so guys, finally I was able to find the food that I want. Ito, dito tayo sa dumpling from UT. Ang dami kasing choices. Nakaka-overwhelm somehow. Pero ang ranges ng mga kainan dito is like $6 to $18 or $20 pataas pa. So medyo pricey talaga siya kung i-convert mo. Pero I think okay na rin kasi convenience naman dahil paglabas mo nandyan na yung Sentosa station. So, diba? So, I think it's worth it. So, let's see mamaya if it's really worth it. So, yung sa akin, $6 yung food ko. Tingnan natin kung talagang ano siya. Okay siya. Okay? Guys, ito yung order ng asawa ko. Forever hakaw and rice.
I'm a forever lover.
Sige, love. Munch, munch. Guys, ang laki ng hakaw. So, magkano yan, love, in peso?
400.
400. So, yung rice, $2. Tapos, kalimutan ko, $6 yata itong hakaw. So, how was it, love? What's your verdict?
It tastes like Singaporean. Masarap yung hakaw na asawa ko.
Yes, of course. Guys, ito yung pagkain ko. Grabe, sobrang laki. Ito yung kamay ko, guys. Oh. Ang laki pala ng serving nila, girl. Hindi ko naman alam. Ano, kumpara mo naman yung mangkok ko dun sa ano ng asawa ko. Guys, papatikim ko sa inyo. Kaya mo naman. Guys, dyan nyo the top, ilalagay yung mga pinagkainan yung halal versus non-halal. Importante yan i-segregate niya guys ha. Basta may pork, non-halal. Vivo City, Sentosa Express. Here's the ticketing. The train ticket guys. Thank you. Kakatingin ng ticket. Hi guys, we're just waiting for our train for the Sentosa Express going to Universal Studios. Yay! Naman may container, maps.
Integrated Family Resort. Resorts World Sentosa will complement the island's World Station. Alight here for Resorts World Sentosa. Please mind the platform gap.
Universal Studios, guys. Konti pa lang tao. Universal Studios. Guys, here we go. This is... Tayo lang sa gitna. Guys, Universal Studios! Yay! This is Universal Studios, guys! Yay! Ang laki niya actually, no, love? Meron silang mga pa-Dracula, guys, kasi it's Halloween. Guys, first ride, Transformers. Woo, let's go! It's just a show, sabi. So, let's see. Love, what can you say?
Wow! Wow!
Grabe ang ganda. Yeah. Grabe. It's giving. Guys, masaya yung Transformers. You should try it. No, love? Now we're here in Lights, Camera, Action. Let's see kung ano yung ating attraction today. Stress ako doon sa ano.
At all times and remain standing throughout the entire show. And also to keep all your personal belongings safely in your pockets or in your bags as you make it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, may we have it quiet on the set. Stand by for lights.
Alright, stand by everybody. Here we go. Lock it up on the bell. Roll playback. To the sun, to the waves, to the thunder, to the rain, and action.
This is the emergency broadcast system. A Category 4 hurricane with sustained winds of 125 miles an hour is making landfall in New York. All residents are instructed to seek shelter immediately.
Let's go to one of our reporters in Midtown. They say this could be one of the storms of the century. What can you tell us? Wherever that sign lands, we only hope there are no people nearby.
push all three.
Situation under control.
What the frick? What the frick?
That's the cop. Alright, let's reset. Everything goes back to one.
Right,
Guys, I got wet.
bye-bye.
Oh my gosh. Guys, yung lights, camera, action, nabasa kami. But it was good. It's cool. It shows us the set of like a thunderstorm. It's fun. Yay! Done with the silly ride. This one. Very chill lang tayo, guys. Yeah, let's go. Guys, pupunta kami sa faraway land. This. Ito tayo sa Puss and Boots, guys. Yan nga. We will ride that. Guys, we will try the Puss and Boots. Parang hindi naman siya roller coaster, pero mataas siya. So, let's see.
Kinabahan.
Nakakatakot. Walang bababa. Anong masasabi mo sa Puss and Boots?
Masaya.
Woo! Hindi yun chill, guys. For me, it's not chill. People says it's chill, but it's not, okay? Parang may mga sharp, sharp turns, diba, love? Mga sharp turns siya. So, if kayo, hindi kayo talaga yung parang into, parang thrill. Parang, I don't know. Pero nakaya ko naman, guys. So, I think you can do it. Kaya ba, turn? So, yung pinili namin ditong makainan is yung Mel's Drive-In. And yung voucher na nabili namin sa Klook, it has discount 5 SGD. So, ayan yun. Ito yung discount, 5 SGD. Tapos, ang lahat-lahat is $50. Medyo mahal pa rin siya. Balit 2.2 ang kanyang conversion. Pero, only naman yung Coke. Only yung Coke draft, diba? So guys, ito yung food natin. Malaki naman siya actually. Hindi naman siya parang medyo lugi. Although talagang expensive talaga siya. But we have fries, nuggets, burgers. So I think it's sulit naman siya. Guys, only naman yung Coke. So sulit na rin. Kaya gumamit tayo na sa mga condiments para hindi tayo matulog. guys, very helpful itong app na to, yung Universal Studios Singapore na app. Kasi you can see the rides, yung mga waiting time niya, ganyan. O, ayan, for example, yung swirly, 20 minutes. Tapos yung shows din, may kita mo rin yung mga time. So, you can manage kung ano yung mga pwede mong puntahan, ganyan. So, diba? It's helpful. Such a pleasant day to be here. Ay, sorry sa buhok ko, para na akong kirara dito. So, nagkaroon ng technical difficulties dito sa may ride na to. So, ayun, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari, pero pinababa lahat ng mga sumasakay. Feeling namin may kapunan lang na ginawa yung isang pasahero, no? Kaya naging ganyan. So, guys, pag sinabi yung instruction dito sa rides, sundin nyo lang. Huwag kayong magbida-bida kasi tignan nyo, lahat nadamay. Ayan, ang mga nag-iimpay. Nag-alisan yung iba eh. Pero 40 minutes na kasi kami dito kaya hindi na kami aalis. Paninindigan na lang namin. Naman yung buhok ko, guys. Ayan. Guys, ito yung mga drinks. Ito yung pinayan. Magbaon na lang kayo ng lalagyan kaysa bumili kayo dito. Ito na ang damami. Pero dahil hindi ko kaya yan, hindi tayo magra-ride dyan, okay?
Single riders.
Guys, tapos na kami sa Jurassic Rapids. How was it, love? How was it? Grabe! Medyo nakakatakot na yung part na madilim. Pero yung drop, di siya masyado mataas. So, kaya naman, no? Di rin kami masyado nabasa, no, love? Buti lang, di kami bumili ng poncho. Muntik na kami bumili ng poncho, eh. Pero, it was a good ride. Now, we're here in another Jurassic ride. Madali lang naman siya. Hindi naman siya nakakatakot. Hopefully. So, pampatuyo lang. No, pampatuyo lang.
Yeah.
Kasi medyo nabasa kami ng konti. Pero it was fun. Thank you.
Welcome back. We hope you enjoyed your tour. All of us at the Jurassic Park Visitor Center hope to see you again soon. And enjoy the rest.
You're my driver.
Nagsisteer talaga siya. Hello. Hello.
There are snakes. Cheetah. Guys, Human Galactica and yung Cyclone.
Accelerator is about to be activated. Stand by for power.
Accelerator! Wow! We're just
Ang gawin mo lang naman kapag nakasakay ka doon, pipikit ka lang.
This is the Sci-Fi City, guys.
What
the blessing, love?
The old lady gave me another one for free. It's supposed to be $14, but he only charged me $7. So
Wow!
I only got 2 for 1 price. Let's go! Sana is
CR. Sobrang bango, guys.
Okay, just be still. Don't say any more words.
Go out there. Stop reading from the top.
Did they see the movie?
It's what happened after the end credits and got us all in this pickle. Yeah! Wait, I'm an idiot. Mirror on the wall. Wake up!
Who in a galaxy far, far away? I love that story. For my please.
Guys, kapag malapit na yung uwian, which is 7 PM, sobrang iksi na ng pila. So, you can ride anything. Guys, Universal Studios. Ay! Oh, isa. Guys, ito yung Sentosa Express. Unique guide. Waiting for the bus. What's good here, there's spaces for us to sit down. Ganda, no? Nagpa-deliver na lang kami ng dinner dahil tayo ay pagoda na. So, let's go!